Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest updates about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is gearing up to release this new flagship, and there are some exciting changes and features to look forward to. Let's explore what makes the S25 Ultra stand out for its predecessors and competitors. Design changes. First, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is getting a facelift with flat sides and slightly rounder edges. This new design gives the phone a sleek and modern look, making it more appealing to users who appreciate a stylish device. Weight and thickness. One of the most notable changes is in the weight and thickness of the S25 Ultra. It's set to be the thinnest and lightest flagship among its competitors. The phone will weigh less than 221 grams and be slimmer than 8.25 millimeters. This is a significant reduction from the S24 Ultra, which weighs 232 grams and is 8.6 millimeters thick. Comfort. The lighter and thinner design will make the S25 Ultra much more comfortable to hold, especially during extended use. If you use your phone for long periods, you'll appreciate the reduced weight and slimmer profile. It will be easier to handle and less tiring to use throughout the day. Battery preference. While the new design is exciting, some users might prefer a larger battery over a lighter phone. The S25 Ultra is expected to have a 5500 mAh battery, which is larger than many competitors. If Samsung can maintain the solid battery life seen in the S24 Ultra, this will be a welcome feature. A larger battery means more usage time without needing to recharge frequently, which is crucial for heavy users. Concept render. Next, let's look at the new design concept provided by Ice Universe. This concept gives us a better idea of what the S25 Ultra will look like. While we don't hold the details yet, the render shows a sleek and modern design that aligns with the rumors we've heard. It's always exciting to see these early glimpses of what the final product might look like. Camera upgrades. The camera system on the S25 Ultra is also getting some significant upgrades. Both the ultra-wide and 3x zoom cameras are being upgraded to 50 MP each. This means you'll get super detailed shots no matter which lens you're using. The improved camera capabilities will be a big draw for photography enthusiasts who want the best possible image quality from their smartphone. RAM boost. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to receive a significant upgrade in its memory with 16 gigabytes of RAM on board. This increase is designed to enhance the overall performance of the device, particularly for users who engage in demanding tasks such as multitasking, gaming, or running intensive applications. The additional RAM allows the phone to manage more processes simultaneously, reducing lag and improving responsiveness. Notably, a portion of this RAM is dedicated to AI applications. This means that tasks involving machine learning, such as image recognition or voice commands, will run more efficiently. AI processes typically require substantial computational power, and by allocating specific memory resources, the S25 Ultra ensures these tasks are executed swiftly without compromising the performance of other apps. This boost in RAM is particularly beneficial for power users who need their phone to perform at its best, regardless of the number of apps running in the background. Whether switching between multiple apps, editing videos, or playing high-resolution games, the extra memory ensures that the Galaxy S25 Ultra can handle it all without a hitch. Rumor. There's a growing rumor that Samsung might rename the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra to the Galaxy Note. This potential name change has stirred excitement among Samsung fans as it suggests the return of the beloved Note branding, which was known for its innovative features such as the S Pen and large display. The Galaxy Note series was a favorite among power users and professionals who valued its productivity tools and premium design. However, this renaming is still just a rumor, and there's no official confirmation from Samsung. The idea of reviving the Note name has sparked discussions because it would mark a significant shift in Samsung's product lineup. The Galaxy Note series was discontinued in 2021, with its features being integrated into the Galaxy S Ultra models. Bringing back the Note name could be seen as an effort to rekindle the brand's identity and differentiate the Ultra model even more from the rest of the Galaxy S lineup. To wrap things up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device with significant design changes, camera upgrades, and improved performance. Whether you're excited about the new design, the enhanced camera capabilities, or the potential renaming to Galaxy Note, there's a lot to look forward to. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.